Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we believe is the best water dog adventure ladder on the market, the FBSPORT Inflatable Dog Boat Ramp Floating Dock. If you love spending time with your furry friend by the water, this product could be a total game changer. The FBSPORT Inflatable Dog Boat Ramp is designed to make water adventures easy and safe for dogs up to 220 pounds. Imagine your dog having a smooth and secure way to get in and out of the water, whether you're at a pool, dock, or on a boat. This ramp creates an effortless entry point by sinking just below the water level, thanks to its weighted mesh design. That means your dog doesn't have to struggle to climb in or out, which is especially helpful for older dogs or breeds that aren't natural swimmers. One of the standout features is the use of tear-resistant EVA material combined with drop-stitched PVC construction, which delivers excellent durability while maintaining a lightweight profile. The surface is non-slip, giving your dog extra traction to prevent slipping and sliding, even when wet. The ramp also incorporates built-in stainless steel posts inside the climbing mat to help keep it submerged and stable. This thoughtful design ensures the ramp stays put and safe, rather than floating loosely or tipping over. Measuring approximately 48 inches long and 32 inches wide, this ramp is extra large to accommodate medium to large dogs comfortably. The climbing mat area provides a generous 20 inches in width and 28 inches in depth, giving your dog plenty of space to find their footing as they climb. Despite its robust size, the ramp is inflatable, which makes it easy to inflate in just minutes and just as simple to deflate and pack away in the included carry bag. Portability is a big plus if you're traveling or going on boating trips. Another practical detail is the inclusion of built-in D-rings, ropes, and carabiners. These attachments allow you to securely fasten the ramp to boats, docks, or pools, ensuring it stays exactly where you need it while your dog enjoys the water. This level of flexibility means the ramp can be used in a variety of water scenarios. Safety is a top priority with this ramp. The design encourages your dog to step onto the submerged part of the ramp and use the stainless steel posts for extra grip, which minimizes the risk of slipping and injury. Whether your dog is learning to swim or just loves to splash around, this ramp provides a reliable way to keep them safe. Overall, the FBSPORT Inflatable Dog Boat Ramp Floating Dock offers a combination of durability, safety, convenience, and thoughtful design. It's perfect for any dog owner looking to enhance their water outings with a practical solution that keeps their pet comfortable and secure. If you're ready to upgrade your water adventures with your furry companion, this inflatable dog ramp is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more in-depth reviews and product insights. See you in the next video.